Okay, this is the one we are going to create using the SolidWorks. All of these dimensions given in millimeters. Let's see how to create this model using the SolidWorks. Okay, file, new, part drawing. So I am going to draw this view looking from this direction on a right hand plane. Okay, choose right plane, then make it normal, sketch, choose center rectangle, the dimensions 2400. Then again choose the draw the center lines, then choose the corner rectangle, the dimensions 12 and 12. Then the mirror this one, then again choose the corner rectangle, the dimensions 10. This height is equal 10. Then go to Extrude, the features, Extrude, select the contour 160. 160. Then select the front plane, then make it normal to the view. So then go to sketch, select the corner rectangle. This dimension is equal to 60. Select the tangent arc, select the circle. The circle diameter is equal to 30. So now we are ready to extrude this one. In both direction, features, extrude, the 2 direction up to surface, for second direction up to surface, select this contour, the both. Edit feature, you have to select the contours properly. This one and this one. Okay, select the front plane, then make it normal, then line, then select this point, select this line and this arc, then make it tangent. Then go to features, insert rib. The rib thickness is equal to 12. Okay, in this way we can create this model using the SolidWorks.